Very good morning, students. Today we will going to discuss a new chapter, that is Honesty Pays. Chapter number 8, Honesty Pays. Okay. So what is this story about? The story is about to find an honest heir. Honest heir for the old man. The old man is searching an honest heir. Then we will going to discuss the story. Let's begin. An honest person does not have to be afraid of anything. Yes, students, honest person. Honest means ईमानदार. In Hindi it's called ईमानदार. ईमानदार person, that means an ईमानदार व्यक्ति को किसी भी चीज़ से, किसी से भी डरने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. That means an honest person doesn't have to be afraid of anything. So our story is about an honest here. So we will find out what is in the story. Let's do. Once upon a time, there lived an old man. He was very rich. He was also very kind and large-hearted. Once upon a time, that means बहुत साल पहले, there lived an old man. An old man was lived there. He was very rich and he was also very kind and large-hearted. That means he is very good. He was unmarried and lived all alone. The old man was very unwell and weak. He wanted to find an honest and caring young heir. So you see, the old man was unmarried. He was lived all alone. The old man was very unwell and weak. He wanted to find an honest heir for caring him. So the old man was lived once upon a time. बहुत साल पहले there was an old man. And the old man was lived alone. He was unmarried. Students, so many families were there where we have families like mother, father, brother, sister, isn't it? So joint family, nuclear family, different types of families are there. In the world, there are also some persons who lived all alone. So ऐसे भी व्यक्ति होते हैं जिनके पास कोई परिवार नहीं होता है, जैसे कि ये ओल्ड मैन. ही वॉज लिव्ड ऑल अलोन. वो बहुत ही अनवेल थे, वीक थे और उनकी देख रेख करने के लिए उनके पास कोई नहीं था. बिकॉज ही हैज़ नो फैमिली. दैट्स वाई ही वॉज सर्चिंग एन ऑनेस्ट केयरिंग यंग हेयर. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेयर, स्टूडेंट्स? हेयर मीन्स द पर्सन who give the legal right after the death of the person. So एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को चूज करते हैं जिनके पास कोई फैमिली नहीं होता है. वो एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को चूज करते हैं जो उनकी देख रेख करे एंड उनके जाने के बाद वो व्यक्ति प्रॉपर्टी को लीड करने लगते हैं. दैट मीन्स द पर्सन गेट द राइट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, लीगल राइट. ओके, that is the meaning of heir. So old man was searching an heir for him. The old man spoke about his decision to a friend. The friend advised him, give some gifts to all your young relatives. So old man ने क्या किया? Old man was spoke about his decision to his friend. You can see in this picture. So they discussed and his friend, the old man friend, advised him. ओल्ड मैन के फ्रेंड ने उन्हें सुझाव, एडवाइस में सुझाव दिया कि आप गिव सम गिफ्ट्स टू ऑल योर यंग रिलेटिव्स. आप क्या करोगे? कुछ गिफ्ट दे दीजिए अपने यंग रिलेटिव्स को बुला के अपने पार्टी पर. आफ्टर देन पुट अ गोल्ड कॉइन इन ईच पैकेट, देन मेक एन अनाउंसमेंट दैट बाय मिस्टेक you have put a gold coin in one of the packets. Tell them to return it to you if they find it in theirs. The person who returns the coin to you will be honest. You can make him your heir and give your wealth to him. So old man के फ्रेंड ने उन्हें सुझाव दिया, एडवाइस दिया कि आप सम गिफ्ट अपने यंग रिलेटिव्स को कुछ गिफ्ट दीजिए अपने पार्टी पर बुला के. पुट अ गोल्ड कॉइन इन ईच पैकेट. Just put a gold coin, only a gold coin in each packet. That means every packet put a gold coin. हर एक पैकेट पर एक एक गोल्ड कॉइन आप रख दीजिए. Then make an announcement. After then make announcement that by mistakenly you have put a gold coin in each packet. That means by mistakenly, गलती से आपने एक गोल्ड कॉइन किसी भी एक पैकेट में रखा हुआ है, by mistakenly चला गया. In this way, एक अनाउंसमेंट कीजिए and ask them, tell them to return. That means ask them, then please return my coin to me. So after then, you know, gold was very costly, isn't it? So after then, if the person who will going to return you, जो भी व्यक्ति आपको वो गोल्ड कॉइन लौटा देगा, that will be the honest person and you can select him as your heir. Who suggest? His friend. Old man's friends suggest him, as you can see. After then come to third para. The old man thanked his friend for the advice and decided to try it. He called all his relatives and gave them the gifts. Then he made the announcement. One by one the relatives started opening their packets. They saw the coins. The friend of old man advised him to do this trick to find out the honest heir. So old man follow his advice. उनके सुझाव को माना old man ने and decided to try it. Try करने का सोचा. He called all his relatives and gave them the gifts. सभी को उन्होंने कॉल बुलाया और गिफ्ट दिया. After then he made the announcement. He announced that one by one everyone open your packets, see the gifts. After then they saw the coins because the old man put each and every packet the gold coin. Okay, so each and every one will get it. Is it true? Because every packet has a gold coin. हर एक पैकेट पर गोल्ड कॉइन है और हर किसी को गोल्ड कॉइन मिलने ही वाला था. Then everyone opened the gifts and saw the gold coins in each and every packet. They saw the coins but kept quiet. Quietly they started closing the packets, pretending there was no coin in this. The old man was very disheartened. So सभी ने अपने गिफ्ट्स खोले और देखा कि पैकेट पर गोल्ड कॉइन है. As I told you, gold coin is very costly. Then each and everyone saw the gold coin in their packets and everyone was pretending that like that there are no coin in theirs. That means उनके पास कोई कॉइन ही नहीं है. इस तरह से उन्होंने pretend किया. pretend करना मीन्स दिखाना. इस तरह से उन्होंने दिखाया कि उनके पास कोई कॉइन नहीं है उनके पैकेट्स में. because they want to take this coin with them. वो रिटर्न नहीं करना चाहते थे because they are dishonest, isn't it? So old man was very disheartened. Old man बहुत निराश हुए. Disheartened means निराश होना. After then come to this fourth para. Among these relatives was a young boy who also received a gift. He loved the old man like a father and wanted him to get well. He saw the coin in his packet and gave it back to the old man, saying, "Here is the coin, uncle. I found it in my packet." Among their relatives, one young boy was there who received the gift also. In this gift also, he received the gold coin. When the young boy saw the old man was getting disheartened, he is unwell, so the boy thought to return the gold coin to this old man. Then he came to old man and said, "Uncle, I found the gold coin in my packet." And he returned this gold coin to the old man. So you see, this boy was very honest. That's why he returned the gold coin to the old man. The old man kept with joy. He had finally found an honest person. He made the young boy his heir and gave him all his wealth. And the old man lived with him and advised him like a son for many more years. So old man was found his heir because he was searching an honest heir, and he found that person, that young boy who returned the gold coin to the old man. And he felt very happy by finding an honest person because now he can make his heir, isn't it? He was searching an heir, honest heir. That's why he put this trick, and finally he found the honest heir, and he was very happy. And he appointed this boy as his heir and gave him all his wealth and live with him until his death and provide all his wealth to this boy. And lived with him for many more years. So this is your story, students. This is about the honesty pays. That means अगर आप ईमानदार होते हो then you will get a gift. अगर आप dishonest होते हो, अगर आप ईमानदार नहीं हो, dishonest हो, then you will not receive any gift. Okay? Honesty always pays better. That is the moral of the story. Students, as we all know, there was a line that honesty is the best policy. We know that is true, students, because honesty always rewarded. As you can see, the old man was strict to find an honest ear. That's why he put gold coin in each and every packet of the gifts. But the relatives, other relatives, doesn't return this gold coin to him. That's why they do not get rewarded by the old man. And the boy who is honest and returned his gold coin to this old man, he was get the reward. He get reward. He was rewarded with the all wealth and property of the old man. That is the value of honesty. An honest person doesn't have to be afraid of anything, and he always get rewarded. So students, try to be honest and listen to your parents. Okay, that is your story, students. Thank you.